What if I told you the book that came with your car, the one you're supposed to trust, is secretly holding your vehicle back? That the recommended maintenance schedule isn't designed for your car's longevity, but for the manufacturer's bottom line? I've been a master technician for 21 years. I've seen the patterns they don't want you to see. Cars that followed the manual to the letter, dying right after the warranty expired. And I've seen the ones that broke the rules, cruising past 600,000 miles without a single major issue. The truth is, there's a massive gap between what the dealership tells you and what your car actually needs. Today, I'm crossing that line. I'm revealing 10 underground maintenance secrets that could get me in hot water with the big manufacturers. These aren't theories. They're proven tricks that unlock performance, save you thousands of dollars, and add years to your car's life. Secret number 10 costs nothing, takes 3 minutes, and it's the reason my work truck is sitting pretty at 412,000 miles on the original engine. Let's get your car running the way it was always meant to. Secret number 10. The tire pressure conspiracy. Look at your driver's side door jamb. You'll find a tire pressure number that the manufacturer swears is perfect. But here's what they don't tell you. That number is calculated for a car packed to the brim with passengers and luggage. When was the last time you drove like that? For most of us, it's just 1 or 2 people in the car. At that weight, the factory pressure leaves your tires too soft. It's like trying to run in sandals. You waste energy with every step. Soft tires create drag. They flex too much, which heats them up and wears them out faster. You get slower acceleration, mushy steering, and worse fuel economy, and you'll never see a warning light for it. The simple fix? For your normal, everyday driving, add 3 to 5 psi to that door jamb number. This is well within the safe limit printed on the tire's sidewall. This one change tightens up your steering, improves your MPG, and makes the car feel more responsive. It's a free performance upgrade they don't want you to know about. Secret number 9. The throttle body cleaning they charge $340 for. Under your hood, there's a part called the throttle body. It's the gateway where all the air your engine breathes comes in. Over time, it gets coated in a sticky, black film of oil and carbon. This gunk acts like someone is gently choking your engine. I had a customer with a Honda Civic that would stall at red lights. The dealership said he needed a $340 throttle body service. When we looked, the valve inside was so dirty it could barely move. The fix is laughably simple. Get an $8 can of throttle body cleaner from any parts store. With the engine off and cool, remove the big air intake hose leading to the engine. You'll see the round throttle plate inside. Spray the cleaner on a rag and wipe away all the black gunk. If it's really bad, spray a little directly on the plate and use an old toothbrush. Reassemble everything. The whole job takes 15 minutes. That Civic went from stalling to running perfectly smooth. This isn't a secret because it's hard. It's a secret because it's so easy, they'd rather charge you hundreds for it. Secret number 8. The mass air flow sensor miracle. This little sensor is your engine's nose. It sniffs the air coming in and tells the computer how much fuel to add. But when it gets dusty, it starts lying. It tells the computer there's less air than there actually is, so the computer dumps in extra fuel. You end up with poor gas mileage, a rough idle, and sometimes a check engine light. The dealer's solution? Replace the sensor for $200 or more. The real solution? Clean it. Buy a $7 can of mass airflow sensor cleaner. Unplug the sensor, give the tiny wire inside a few gentle sprays, let it air dry for 10 minutes, and plug it back in. I've seen trucks gain back 4 miles per gallon from this 5-minute job. It's the ultimate don't replace, just refresh trick. If you're tired of paying for repairs that should have been simple fixes, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button to learn more secrets that put you back in the driver's seat of your car's health and your wallet. Secret number 7. The used car personality reset. When you buy a used car, you're not just buying a vehicle. You're buying the previous owner's driving habits. The car's computer learns how they drove, their gentle acceleration, their slow shifts, and it locks those patterns in. You might feel like the car is sluggish or lazy, and you assume that's just how it is. The dealer might even charge you $150 to reprogram the computer. Here's the free fix. Disconnect the negative battery cable for 15 minutes. This makes the computer forget everything. Before you reconnect it, turn the key to the on position for 10 seconds, then turn it off. Reconnect the battery, start the car, and let it idle for 10 minutes without touching anything. This forces the computer to start from scratch and learn your driving style. The difference can feel like you're driving a completely different car. Sharper, more responsive, and finally yours. Secret number 6, the Italian tune-up. Most of us just drive short distances. A few miles to work, a few miles back. The problem is the engine never gets fully hot, and that leads to carbon buildup inside. It's like cholesterol for your engine, slowly clogging it up. The fix is something European drivers have known for decades, the Italian tune-up. Once every couple of weeks, take your car on the highway and drive at a steady 3,500 to 4,000 revolutions per minute for about 15 minutes. Don't race it, just keep the revs up. This gets the engine properly hot and blows out all that built-up carbon. You might even see some black smoke the first time you do it. That's the carbon burning away. It's a free engine cleaning service that costs you nothing but a little time and gas. Secret number 5, the spark plug gap secret. When you buy new spark plugs, the box says, pre-gapped. Don't believe it. In my experience, most plugs from the factory are not set perfectly. The gap, the space the spark has to jump, is critical. Too wide and the spark is weak. Too narrow and the flame is small. For a few dollars, buy a spark plug gap tool. When you install new plugs, check the gap and adjust it to be 0.001 to 0.002 inches tighter than the factory spec. This creates a fatter, stronger spark that leads to a more complete burn of your fuel. The result? A smoother idle, better throttle response, and often a slight bump in fuel economy. It's a tiny adjustment that makes a huge difference in how your engine runs. Secret number 4, the oil change interval lie. This is one of the biggest myths. Your manual might say you can go 10,000 miles between oil changes. That number is for perfect, ideal laboratory conditions, not for the stop-and-go traffic most of us drive in. When oil breaks down, it turns to sludge. I've seen engines with less than 70,000 miles that are full of this black, tar-like gunk because the owner followed the manual. The repair bill? Often over $3,000. The truth is, for most drivers, changing your oil every 5,000 miles is the safe bet. It costs you an extra $60 or $70 a year, but it prevents a sludge-related engine failure that costs thousands. It's the cheapest insurance you can buy for your car's heart. Secret number 3, the restrictive air filter. The air filter that came with your car from the factory is designed to be quiet, not efficient. It uses very dense paper to muffle the sound of air being sucked in, which makes the car seem more refined during a test drive. But that dense paper also restricts airflow, meaning your engine has to work harder just to breathe. It's like trying to run a marathon while breathing through a straw. The solution is to replace it with a high-flow air filter from a quality brand. These filters use a less restrictive material that lets your engine breathe deeply. The result is often a noticeable improvement in throttle response. It's a simple swap that unlocks a bit of the power your car already has. Secret number 2, the professional fuel injector cleaning hack. Fuel injectors can get clogged with varnish over time, causing a rough idle and poor fuel economy. Dealers will tell you that you need to replace them for $900 or more. But there's a pro method to clean them. You can disconnect the fuel pump and run the engine on a can of concentrated fuel system cleaner. This forces pure cleaner through the injectors, dissolving the deposits. The engine will smoke and sputter for a minute, but when it clears, it will often run dramatically smoother. It's the same process a professional service would use, but for a fraction of the cost. This one trick has saved my customers thousands. Secret number 1, the lifetime transmission fluid myth. This is the most expensive lie. Manufacturers love to say the transmission fluid is lifetime. What they mean is, it's designed to last the lifetime of the powertrain warranty. After that, you're on your own. I've lost count of the transmissions I've replaced that were killed by lifetime fluid that turned black, lost its protective qualities, and led to a $4,500 repair. The truth is, there's no such thing as a lifetime fluid. For most cars, Changing the transmission fluid every 30,000 to 40,000 miles is the key to a long, healthy transmission life. Don't do an aggressive flush, just a simple drain and refill. That $150 service is the single best thing you can do to avoid a catastrophic repair bill down the road. Final word. These 10 secrets the manufacturer doesn't want you to know. From a free tire pressure tweak to exposing the lifetime fluid myth, these are the practices that keep cars on the road for hundreds of thousands of miles. This isn't about being a rebel. It's about being smart. It's about understanding that the guidelines are often written for the manufacturer's benefit, not yours. Now I want to hear from you. Which one of these secrets surprised you the most? Have you been burned by following the manufacturer's advice too closely? Share your story in the comments below. Let's learn from each other. If this guide empowered you to take control of your car's health, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We're here to give you the straight talk without the corporate spin. Thanks for watching. Drive smart, maintain smarter, and I'll see you in the next video.